Hey gang, I didn't do an intro, so I'm recording this. This is a video of repairing the dog on our Portlights on Reverie. So check it out. So as I was doing repairs, you saw I was changing the screens and um, the gaskets on my Portlights. We had an issue where the dog broke apart. Now this dog is basically a pin with a screw. So this is what it's supposed to look like. You have a pin that goes through the port light, and you have a screw or the dog that has a lath with a hole that gets trapped with the pin, and then you flip this over to lock your window. But after 40 years, this kind of rusted away and it weakened, and it basically, last time I was doing some work on it, they just broke. So lucky for me, Beckson Marine has the dogs. Now I could have gotten the replacement like this, um, which is the old classic. But I figure the new windows I put in have the new system, so I figure I order it because it's backwards compatible. It'll work on the window. So they come in packs of two. This is from Beckson Marine. That's the part number. They make a black and a white, and they give you the dog with a brand new pin. Now, these pins are hollow, where the old pins were solid. Not sure it makes a difference, but what we're going to do is we're going to install one of these where the old one that broke out came off and replace them on both windows. It's actually a pretty straightforward process. I'm going to show you. All right, so all I did was use a pin pusher, not a hole puncher. This is for pushing the pins through. It's a hardened steel, and a hammer, and just put it in the hole, tap it, and it comes right off. So this is the dog and the pin. You can see the pin has a little bit of rust. So I'm gonna clean it up and put a little lithium grease on it just to make things slide. And then all we do is we'll put the new dog in, slide the pin through, and it's gonna come in just like this. And this is a much better system because once you get the proper length of where you want it, all you do is slip it up and lock it. It puts in just the right amount of pressure to create a good seal on the gasket, with the glass. The new system is definitely much better, and it prevents you from over tightening the nut, the dog on the port light. So I'm gonna go grab the new one and put it in. Within 2 minutes you can get the whole job done. Okay, to put it back on, you just literally line up your dog with a hole, slide the pin through, put a little bit of grease, just slide it in, and just get a little tap with the hammer. I'm doing this kind of wrong-handed, so let me do this and I'll show you. Okay, so I tapped it in. Again, doesn't take a whole bunch of strength. Just tap it until it starts showing on this side. They never go all the way in. That's the way they were when I got them, so I'm basically just putting them back the same way. Next thing is you're going to unscrew the dog itself, until it's loose. You should be able to close the glass and slide it with one hand. And then what you do is you're going to turn the dog to put pressure on the glass, but all you really want to do is make sure that you're making a good constant contact all through your port light. And once you get it to where you have nice contact, you stop. You know, it doesn't have to be a tight contact, just making contact, because when you flip the dog down, is going to add pressure to the glass and is going to create a really nice tight seal on your port light. And pretty much that's all it takes for the repair. So with that, we conclude this episode. If you like our channel, please subscribe. We have all the episodes of all of the repairs that we've been doing on Reverie. We continue to share that freely, so hopefully that will help you with your projects. So with that, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next episode.